Hi, Jack. You're 1 year old today. Do you like your balloons? Hi, you like your balloons? That's a 1. Looks like another finger. Jack! What? Do you like your balloons? Oh, that's for your party. But not for you. Come back over here.